Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix what it says out of range on your PlayStation 5 and it keeps popping up on your monitor. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So if you're playing on your PlayStation 5 and you keep getting this logo that keeps popping up on your screen that says out of range, and maybe you can see your PlayStation 5 in the background, or maybe it's a black screen, how would you go ahead and fix this? Well, this is very easy to do. So on your PlayStation 5, go ahead and hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially, and then like 4 seconds later, you will hear another beep, and it will turn off your PlayStation 5. Now you want it completely turned off for this to work. Then, when you see no lights on the light bar, go ahead and turn your PlayStation 5 around and unplug it from the wall outlet. So let's go ahead and do this. And then also unplug the HDMI cable. So here's the HDMI cable right here, and then the power cable right here. And keep it unplugged from the wall outlet for approximately 1 to 2 minutes and completely power cycle your PlayStation 5. Now, what you could do is take the HDMI cable and completely flip it around so the monitor end is now in the PlayStation 5. Maybe there was an issue with that. What I suggest is going out and getting an HDMI cable that is a high-speed HDMI cable, then plugging it into your PlayStation 5 and completely swapping this out. So I'm going to go to the back of my monitor now and plug this one in. Now, if you are connecting it with VGA, you might have a black screen, and I'll show you how to fix that coming up in a second. So try replacing the HDMI cable, see if that fixes the problem. Alright, so now I'm going to switch over my source to HDMI 1, since that popped up on my screen, and I'm going to plug my power cord back in, and I'm going to start my PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu now. So let's locate the power button and hold this down. I will hear one beep initially, and then I will hear a second beep coming up in like 1 or 2 seconds. So here's the second beep. I'm going to go ahead and let go, and you will need a USB cable to connect your controller. And then you have to press the PlayStation button, just like this. Now you can operate the safe mode menu and go down to option number 2, change video output. Under here, go to change resolution. And then it's going to restart your PlayStation 5 and you can select the resolution. Maybe there was an issue where your PlayStation 5 is set to a different resolution than your TV or monitor, and that's why you're kind of like in that black screen in the background. Or maybe the cable that you're plugging into the PlayStation 5, if you're going from HDMI to VGA, it simply doesn't support the current resolution that you had your PlayStation 5 set to, so you have to change the video resolution. Now, I would suggest keeping it on Mac, otherwise go to the highest setting available and just select that. So I'm going to leave it on automatic and just restart my PlayStation 5. Now, hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.